What's up?
This video is brought to you by Cornell Garage Doors, Austin, Texas.
Know what I'm saying?
It's big on style, with the same appearance as CHI's top-of-the-line models. This series incorporates everything you expect in a garage door with a price that's right for you. CHI's Model 2250. Go to their website, download a flyer, request a color sample. Check these out. Let's go inside and take a look.
Right on.
The door sections are formed from a heavy 25 gauge galvanized steel. Section joints are roll formed into tongue and groove design, which produces a superior weather seal. As you can see, they're non-insulated. Inside stiles are made of a galvanized steel. Bottom weather seal utilizes an aluminum retainer. These doors come in a white, almond, desert tan, sandstone, or brown. Our values are a 7.94 in the insulated model. Insulated version is a Model 2251. This is what you're going to get for just a basic steel, non-insulated 25 gauge steel door. You get your torsion spring up there. Much better than an extension spring that mounts above the horizontal tracks like you see a lot of them. But you get that nice torsion spring, the doors are going to work real nice. They come with an inside slide lock right there, so that way if you're not opening it with an opener, you can lock it manually. Get you a nice handle right there. Let's go ahead and give it a test ride. The garage door opener is a Chamberlain Model B550. This is a very common machine because of the price, $219 plus tax, and you get all the accessories.
Check it out.
There it is, Model 2250 CHI. So if you're looking not to spend a whole lot of money, then this guy's your ticket. Hey, thanks for checking out this door today. If you got any questions about it, please ask, and I'll have an answer for you. We will talk at you folks later. Peace out. Live from Austin, Texas.
Yeah.